given that AB is equal to x minus 3, CD is equal to 6, BP is equal to x, and PD is equal to 3, find the value of x. So what we got here is that PB is x, AB is x minus 3, PD is 3, and DC is 6. Remember, this is not drawn to scale. Right, what we've got here is intersecting chords outside a circle, and the formula for this is that PA, this distance here, times PB is equal to PC times PD. Right, but P to A is going to be x plus x minus 3, and that's going to give 2x minus 3. Therefore, x, PB, times 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, that's PB times PA, is going to be equal to 9, which is 3 plus 6 for PC, times 3 for PD. Right, 9 times 3 is 27, and this bracket here we should expand, so that we get 2x squared, that's x times 2x, minus 3x is equal to 27. Right, this is a quadratic, so to solve a quadratic you put it equal to 0, so we've got 2x squared minus 3x, and then taking 27 we get minus 27 is equal to 0. So we've got to factorise this quadratic. If we can't factorise it, we use the formula. So P will be 2 times minus 27, the product, 2 times minus 27, and the sum will be minus 54, and then the sum will be minus 3. So we want two numbers, which when we multiply them together we get minus 54, and then we got a sum of minus 3. So the factors will be minus 9 times 6, minus 9 and 6. Minus 9 times 6 gives me minus 54, minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. You can write them down in any order, but it is easier to write the negative number first, the lower one first. Then we take our quadratic and rewrite the middle term as minus 9x plus 6x, so we haven't changed the meaning, we've still got all together here minus 3x, minus 27 is equal to 0. So we group these two together, so we get x, brackets, 2x minus 9, and then we group these two together, the common factor here of 3, so we're going to get 2x minus 9 still equal to 0. So we now have a common factor here of 2x minus 9, so that can now come out, and we're left with x plus 3 is equal to 0. Right, writing that up here, so we've still got to solve that. So to solve this, we say either 2x minus 9 is equal to 0, which gives that 2x is equal to 9, and then x is equal to 9 over 2, or 4.5, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3. Now in the context of the problem, we can't have a negative x because it actually represents a length, so we state that this one is not possible. The answer is 9 over 2 or 4.5, but we could do a little check. So we do a little check. So PA times PB, so this will be 4.5, and this distance will be 1.5 because it's 4.5 minus 3. So altogether here we're going to have 6, because that's 4.5 plus 1.5 times PB, which is 4.5. That gives me 27. And then here we're going to have 9 times 3, which again is 27. So we got agreement here, so we know we haven't made a mistake. So the final answer is x is equal to 9 over 2 or 4.5. So this has been a video to show you how to do intersecting chords, finding a missing value. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.